like I did with
Don't make them too complicated then.
Yeah, yeah. So. All right,
Okay.
surviving vehicle, CN2.
All right, well, let's see. I've got cohesion. My infantry has taken it on the chin. I've lost, I don't know, we don't count the vehicles, right?
No.
Okay. Just the squads.
Just the squads.
Okay, so I've only lost 2.
Okay.
So I haven't even lost a quarter yet.
Okay.
So they're loving it.
Awesome.
Now
so both tank units.
Yeah, my assault guns are at 50%.
Right.
And
was it the command vehicle?
Odds it is.
Okay.
It
Yes.
is.
Okay.
So
You are down 4.
he
You love it?
is, well, he's still grimly determined. My tanks, now I did lose my commander, but I
down
have
3.
50%.
Down 3.
Down 3.
And you have a supporting unit, so that is a CN2.
Crap. So they're basically stuck. That whole unit can't do anything. Until I reorganize.
Yeah.
Poop.
CN2 halts me. Fire is ordered.
Oh,
At least you can shoot.
yeah. Fire on the. Now he should be at a 10 because
The only affects
this
the
is
terrain
so that puts it down to a 9.
and the button, so he's at 8.
It's still at 8.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But he's fired at that target last turn, right?
Right.
So you're at 9, and that's a 10.
Still missed.
Wow.
Bloody hell!
You have some.
Pardon my French. Bloody heck.
Yeah. Oh, he's not listening.
That was terrible. All right, so let's do some movement here. I got an infantry to move up. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right, and these guys, this turn, they will have to do a full move towards cover.
Right.
And
Well, they're in cover.
It's true, they're in cover, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then these guys here are going to go. How many units can we cram in a hex?
There's no stacking limit, but I get advantages, obviously, from firing at a big pile of you because they
Right.
affect all of you.
Yeah. Huh.
In other words, you move into these woods, I shoot, I affect both
Right.
units in the hex.
Definitely not a good thing. So 1, 2, 3.
Actually, while you're here,
Okay.
so you have no cover from me, so that's just 4, subtracting 1 because you're moving in the open.
Okay. Boxcars, boxcars.
How about a modified 5?
Suppressed.
Okay, you stop right there. I got a suppressed right here. So.
Oh, they stop. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, and now on the other side of the table, it's doing a little better. Okay, let's see. Those guys are still alive and kicking, so I'm going to crank them up. These guys are still good. They still have infantry. That's those 2 there. Okay.
Right.
So, God's teeth. Well, let's see. First things. 1,
2,
2,
4.
Oh, 2, 4. Okay, so there. All right.
That is going to be, well, that is 8 becomes 16, adding 1.
16.
Yep, doubling a squad with an LMG.
Doubling the squad.
That's an 8 on the 16 chart.
Oh, jeez, they're gone.
Nah.
They're suppressed.
Yep. Okay.
Why did you double, just out of curiosity?
Range of 1.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, you walked right in next to me.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
got to shoot you somehow. I can't shoot
Yeah.
you through the woods any other way. Well, since you've done that, though.
Yep.
Now these guys can go.
Yeah. Now I take it on the chin. I've been preoccupied shooting. So
1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe
Yep.
come out in the open. Okay. So
nothing I can do about it.
that puts me on the. I don't have the LMG, but it puts me on the...
When we get to advancing fire, you'll be
On the
halved and doubled, so you'll be on the 4 chart.
Oh, it's...
And these guys would also be on the 4 chart, except they're suppressed, so
Right.
they don't get to shoot.
Okay.
So,
Now, let's see,
thinking
I've got some
forward,
vehicles.
now that you've done this, thinking
Right.
forward, be next to be in the open, assuming my cohesion holds.
Right, is not
On
the
the
best.
supporting fire, I'm gonna
Right.
get a huge fire on you
Let's
because of
see,
the MG.
1, 2, 3,
Boom.
4, 5. Okay.
I should have waited, but I'm very concerned about having a vehicle next to me, so here comes the bazooka. Hit, and
He's dead.
on fire.
On fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and he will shoot at the bazooka.
You can do that.
Now I've got it. There's on fire, so his infantry's dead.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll get an on fire marker.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so these guys here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Well, we don't have artillery,
Right.
so there's really no detriment to having vehicles in the same hex.
No. Yeah, absolutely.
So,
Well, there's doctrine.
right.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
So he
You know how
can
doctrines.
disgorge his infantry while he's firing.
Yeah, absolutely. If you've got the movement, you can do both.
These guys are beat. These guys are beat. And he can drop his infantry.
Right, and then you can combine adjacent infantry and so forth.
So I'm going to smack your bazooka man and your squad in here with any luck.
Mm-hmm.
This is not going good for the Russians. We may kill a lot of Americans, but we're definitely not going to succeed. Okay, let's see. So, I got nothing over here. Nothing there. He's already done the support fire. These guys, I need to use these guys for something. They need to get moving. I've got, all right, so I got a squad and 1 BTR on that squad. So
Are
it's gonna
you done moving?
be- Yes.
Okay. Let me think if I got any final defensive fire.
Oh, that's true.
He has not fired. And actually, I have people. No, I can't see any of you. Well, I can see him. He's actually there, right?
Yes.
Oh, I'm not gonna shoot at him. And they supporting fire, so I'm gonna shoot at them.
Yeah, they fired at him and missed. 3 vehicles firing at him.
Okay. We got 8 on him in the open.
Okay.
7. That becomes a 6, actually.
That's a suppressed. Alright, I've lost this. Yeah. Yeah. I lost this fight for sure.
I think
Okay.
I remembered I had a machine gun.
Alright, well,
Squads
I'll
in the building.
fire the vehicle machine gun on the bazooka man there.
Okay, this guy back here?
Yeah.
Okay, so since he's 2 away, that's going to be on the 2 chart.
Right.
Adding 1.
Nothing.
Okay.
And now my infantry and the BTR on that other infantry squad.
Right. So now you're looking at you're doubling, and then you're halving.
Okay.
So you go to 16 and back down to 8.
Come on. 8.
And 9 on the 8 chart.
It's a hold. No, it's nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. No, that's it.
Press guys can't shoot. The only thing that you haven't used yet is you've got a tank here. Haven't done anything yet.
Well,
And he'd only pay a point because yeah.